old Radio Shack one. You don't need nothing special. You just use an iron and a little solder and a tip. Make sure the tip's kind of pointy. There's going to be a couple of resistors here. All these square little rectangular ones. You're going to want to solder them. There's 3 here, 4 here, and 4 there. These also help bring back this. I'm not sure exactly which one is the one culprit that controls this exactly, but we're going to make it happen. So when you do this, I'll try to zoom in a little bit. Oops, give me a second. Okay, when you do this, you generally don't want it on. And then we got a little solder on the iron already. You're just going to have to hold it so it doesn't move. You really don't need any solder on them. Normally just have to just heat them. We got just a little solder to braze it. There it is. That's how simple it is. We just heated this one up here and it brought it back to life. So you probably want to quick reheat the end of it and the other ones if you want, but that's it. That's simple. Took all 4 or 5 minutes, just enough time heating the solder. And then that'll also bring that up. If this isn't bright, keep heating all of them, but make sure you keep something on these rectangular things. They're thin as heck. These are resistors. They will move on you and they won't stay in place. They come off, you can put them back on just with solder. So that is it. That's how to fix it. Got this other junkered. Everything works.